Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure the TV is online and another streaming app plays to rule out network issues. Once done, check the YouTube app version and jot down your TV model. You may need these later. Now power cycle both the TV and router. Unplug each for about 30 seconds, then plug back in. This clears temporary memory and network handshakes, which often fixes app launch errors immediately. Keep going if the problem persists. Next, force stop the YouTube app and close it fully from the TV settings. This ends any hung processes. Then clear the app cache and data. That removes corrupted files and resets app-specific settings without affecting the TV system. After clearing, check for an app update in the store. If the update fails or isn't available, reinstall the app entirely. These steps address most software-level causes because they replace or refresh the app files the TV uses to connect to YouTube. For final resolution, consider a factory reset only after backing up important settings. This returns the TV to a clean software state and often removes deep app conflicts. Also, inspect network settings. Set DNS to a reliable server such as 8 because DNS problems can block YouTube access. If issues continue, test the TV on a mobile hotspot to isolate whether your ISP or router is at fault. If the hotspot works, focus on router or ISP fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.